Good morning, friends. Corey Moser with your weekly mortgage and economic update for Friday, March 27th. So as you've noticed, rates continue to move higher. The 30-year fixed national average is now at 6.62%, and the 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.444%. And as long as things continue as they are in Iran, sadly, I think mortgage rates will continue to move higher. A lot of the other data is not helping, and all of the noise about the war is causing rates to move higher. As you've also noticed, gas prices also moving higher. The concern is that the Federal Reserve will be primarily interested in inflation, and because of that, they may not actually cut rates, and in fact, they may raise rates in some of their next sessions. So it would be very prudent for things in Iran to settle down, that peace talks will actually come forth, so that our economy may stabilize a little bit. For some good news, here at Nationwide Loans, if you want to go over to theratequote.com, our rates are very competitive right now, where the national average is at 6.62%. We're actually writing loans at 5.99% with a 6.17% APR. And on top of that, any purchases from now until the end of April, we will actually cover the cost of your appraisal. So we'll give you appraisal credit on that. So that's good news for any of you potential home buyers, or if you're a real estate agent and are looking for some potential savings for someone. Keep that in mind. Free appraisal up until the end of April. For a refinance, some of the good news there is that we will actually pay for all of your title fees right now on a refinance. That's a rate and term refinance, not a cash out refinance. And also, there's a good chance we can get you an appraisal waiver. And if for some reason we cannot, we'll actually pay for that appraisal for you as well on a rate and term refinance. So those are some great cost savings. No appraisal cost, no title cost on a refinance, and no appraisal cost on a purchase. Keep that in mind with all the very low competitive rates that we offer. If you shop around, you'll notice that the 5.99% rate is just hanging on right now before we tip over that 6% as rates continue to rise, but a pretty significant savings from the national average of 6.62%. So if you know of anyone that needs a potential refinance or is buying a home, please share this video with them. And thanks again for chatting with me for a few minutes, and we'll talk to you again next week. Take care.